Warm greetings to everyone. This is Yamin representing Auro Realty. We extend our heartfelt wishes to every one of you during this festive season. Amidst this festivity, we are here to give you a detailed construction update about our stellar project, the Pearl at Hitec City as of October 23. We are pleased to share that the construction work has been progressing steadily. It is indeed a testament to the infinite trust and support you have placed in us.
The Pearl is a fusion of sophistication and luxury living. The project features sky mansions ranging in 5,300 and 5,400 square feet, along with a separate home office, home theatre, servant room and private balconies to every room. The experience is further elevated by breathtaking landscape balcony for each sky mansion, allowing residents to truly enjoy the opulent living. As a recap, the Phase 1 works are in full swing. Let's take a moment to understand the construction progress in each tower. Considering Belon Tower, the Pour 1 of the 5th floor has been completed. Coming to the Stella Tower, the construction works have been completed up to the 5th floor. For Wellfleet Tower, the construction work have progressed up to the 4th floor. For Pelican Tower, the construction works are completed up to the 3rd floor respectively.
Your love for Phase 1 has been marvelous. With utmost thrill and excitement, we share the launch of Phase 2, featuring the new towers Ostrea and Duxbury. These 414 single-floor, single-sky mansions are spread across 8.54 acres, where you can only dream of privacy and exclusivity. Come visit our Pearl Experience Center to know more.